If you're bad or hate preparing for Leetcode but have no choice because you need a job, you need to watch this. I myself don't really enjoy it, but the methods I use to prepare really help me get a job. So without further ado, let's get right into it. This is so obvious, but many people overlook when they solve a Leetcode problem. You need to get in a habit of reading word for word and fully digest what you need to solve. Otherwise, you will look pretty lost. Number 2, before you write any code, literally write it down how you're going to solve the problem step by step. Are you going to use brute force? What data structure are you planning on using? Which algorithm? Lay it down so you know exactly what you need to write, and the interviewer can determine what you're thinking in your head. Number 3, solve the problem but differently each time. First attempt, you just want to focus on solving the problem, simply writing the code only. Don't do anything else other than writing code. You want to be able to focus on problem solving skills. Second attempt, write comments before you write code. You need to write comments for every single line that you plan on writing. This helps you understand what you're actually thinking about as well as understanding what your code is meant for. Last attempt, you're actually going to talk out loud as if you were literally in the interview. It's just as simple as reading your own comments as you're writing them, and this helps you get prepared to share your thoughts to the interviewers. Once you're comfortable with speaking out loud while solving the problem, you actually need to write your own test cases. Go through these test case iterations one by one and let your brain be the compiler. This allows you to make sure you're understanding the solution you have written and can give the impression that you know what you're doing.
One more thing.
Big ol' calculation. You'll be asked this question every single time whether you do a technical screening or on-site interviews. It's just something you need to know to determine what the time complexity of your solution is, as well as space complexity.